This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about aluminum takeout containers, specifically these foil Lux containers and lids. It's important to note that the lids for these items are sold separately, and many of them have multiple lid options between both the flat lids and the clear plastic domed ones. So you really have a variety of containers and lid options to really choose the things that you need and will work for your food establishment and the different things that you're preparing. We have the 64-ounce oblong, which you have the option of either the clear lid or the flat. In the rounds, there is a 7-inch diameter 24-ounce, an 8-inch diameter 36-ounce, and a 9-inch diameter that is 37-ounce. There's also those two lid options available for the rounds, so both the flat and the clear domed. We also have a petite 4-ounce round size. It's really great to use as a ramekin for sauces or dips. There's also a fantastic 23-ounce 3-compartment, and we have the flat lid option for that. This one's going to be great for meals, especially when you're going to keep things like side dishes or desserts separate so that everything stays nice and tasty when it gets to your customers. The lids are easy to use. You just put them down on top and fold those edges over for a nice, secure fit that's going to keep leaks, messes, and sauces contained. So this large selection of shapes and sizes are going to work for catering, takeout, meal prep, for main dishes, sides, and desserts. These are great for reheating foods in. Just keep in mind, especially we're going to be reheating in the oven, so you want to take those lids off and just put the bottoms in. They're safe for use in the freezer or the refrigerator, making them great for prep, for use with cold or hot foods, and for things like long-term storage of prepared meals. They're disposable, which makes cleanup a breeze for both your business and customers, since there's no need to wash these recyclable containers. The sturdy aluminum can handle heavy meals and dishes without bending or breaking. They're great for a variety of food establishments like caterers and restaurants, or just for use at home.